નવ્યા ન્યૂ લાઇબ્રેરી આવી આના બનીને.
આ તો એક્ચ્યુઅલી બર્થડે જશે કે હેલોવીન જશે અહીંયા
नव्या 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 ना बनी है आज और आज हम एक नई लाइब्रेरी की तरफ आए हैं जिसका नाम है प्रिस्को कम्युनिटी सेंटर, जो कि नव्या जो स्कूल में जाती है ना उसी की एक ब्रांच है जो कि हमारे घर से थोड़ी दूर है. तो आज तो रात हो गई थी और मम्मी रात में ड्राइव करके आई. राइट नव्या? अभी घर से 4:30 बजे निकले थे तो अभी शिकागो में तो 3:30 4 बजे के बाद अंधेरा हो जाता है. हाँ बेटा, तो देखो यहाँ पे पूरा एक्टिविटी जो ये रूम नंबर 102 to 104 है ना, वहाँ पे होने वाली है ये कॉन्सर्ट, क्रिएटिव प्ले क्लासरूम, डांस स्टूडियो. सो देखो वहाँ पे मैंने पार्क की है कार, पार्किंग है और पूरा यहाँ पे हॉलीडे क्रिसमस का डेकोरेशन, जैसे हमारे कैसे दिवाली होती है वैसा ही माहौल यहाँ पे दिसंबर में होता है. ओके, तो ये पूरा कॉरिडोर आप देख रहे हो और कॉन्सर्ट भी मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी, तो बने रहिएगा. हॉलवे. ओके.
The bass holds down the rhythm. This foot. Now you can do the other foot. If you are sitting down, you can do both feet at the same time. Good one. All right, here's another one. Knees are for slapping, slapping to this song. Knees are for slapping. Let's all slap along. Slap your knees. Exactly. You get the beat on your knees or on your lap. All right. Once again, ready? Jump up, turn around, clap your hands, stamp the ground. All right, now listen closely. I'm going to add to the game. Let's play it again, but this time try it as you play and stretch your arms up high. Stretch your arms up and try those fingers. Jump up, turn around, clap your hands. Spin, spin again. Spin, spin, spin again. Off the race. Spin, spin, spin again. Spin, spin, spin again. Spin, spin, spin again. Spin, spin, spin again. Have a seat. Give yourselves a clap. No time to wait. Pinkies out straight. Here are friends. Please clap those hands. Driving hands. Binocular eyes. Jumping jets are back. Have a seat, give yourselves a clap. It's 3 on 2. Stop when I say things. You know, instead of ending this one the way I normally do, we've got everybody up. Let's do one more like this, and then we're going to wrap it up with an awesome little sing-along. I'll tell you. Well, here's the game. It's called Jumping and Counting. Always be everything bagels. Kids have great ideas. All right, let's keep reading and singing together. Ready? Hey there. Oh, what's this one? Dinosaurs. Let's all sing it. Ready? May there always be dinosaurs. May there always be roller coasters. May there always be pepperoni pizza. Who likes pizza?
You like pizza?
All right, let's keep singing all together. May there, oh, Cheez-Its. We better sing this one loud. Ready? May there always be Cheez-Its. May there always be pencils. May there always be gymnastics. May there always be dogs. Hang on, I gotta read to you what Chase wrote up there. Like trained wolves, Dog jump, 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 jumping higher we but we'll stop jumping while we count to three. Dance as slow as you want to, but stop when I say free.
Hello.